Hi, this is Ezekiel again, your Messenger Bot Guide. Today, I will teach you on how to integrate Google Sheet on your Messenger bot. This will help you export all of the data you acquire on your Messenger bot to a Google spreadsheet. Before we start, I would really appreciate if you like, subscribed, and share this video. Without further ado, let's go to our Messenger bot. Here at our navigational button, just look for Google Sheet integration. Now here, just select the page you want to export its data. Then press Continue. Select your desired template here. This template is for the subscribers' data you acquired on your Facebook page. We may add other templates here in the near future, so please do not hesitate to comment any suggestions you may think of. Now, once you select the template, click the copy URL and start here. This will open a Google spreadsheet. Now, once you're here, just click File, then select Make Copy. You can name your document if you want, then select OK. Now, this will be your personal Google spreadsheet. What you need to do here is just click the column here, then right-click and paste, or Ctrl-V. Now, once you've done that, press Enter. Then, you will see all of your subscribers' data here that your Messenger bot acquired for you. As you can see, we have the page ID, the subscriber ID, the first name, last name of your subscribers here, the gender, their email, their phone number, user location, subscribe at, the date, your subscriber subscribed to your page, and the last subscriber interaction time here. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any suggestions about Messenger bot, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. That's it for today. I wish a very wonderful day. Bye.